Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about Vinci.com? If yes, then watch this unwise video that will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or not. So let's check out the detail. Vinci is a website that is actually selling the best and latest designer shoes. The website keeps Adidas, Nike, Puma, Air Jordan and many more products. All the brands that are available on the site are of the best value. There can never be any comparison of the product that the company itself officially launched. The website claims that it gives 100% genuine deals for its customer. So let's check out the specification of the site. It was created on 10 September 2021. HTTP secure website. The website are all under the category of trend issues. They have mentioned email address that is not matching the domain name, and it can be a red alert for you as a customer. They have mentioned physical address, but no contact detail have been shared. No payment method details and return policy have been shared on the site. No refund information have been discussed on the site. You can enjoy free shipping over the shopping of $59 plus. They can deliver the product within 6 to 10 business days. The positive point of the site are the website offers us the product of the best brand in their particular item. Worthful low prices are available. It is HTTPS protocol on the website. Moreover, we did not find any blacklist engine serving through this website. The negative point of the site are the website does not have any followers. This is very newly created website. Customer use was not trustful. The website policy does not offer any return and refund. The website does not show its payment options. So question here is Vinci.com legit? That can be come into your mind as a customer, and that must be answered because we are going to share the details and you must know the legitimacy. So as we have discussed, it is created on 10 September 2021. It has poor trust score about 27.3%. It has 0 Alexa ranking. That is horrible. As far as reviews are shown on the website, then that seems fake because there is no follower according to Alexa ranking. The website content is not plagiarized but is incomplete. There were vague policy written on the site. The website shared all the social media pages of Nike. So as we all know that customer reviews help any brand to grow, and same the website needs have customer review, but we could not find any record of either this website is legit because the customer reviews explain pretty better. But when we check out for this, we found that no reviews could be found, and that makes the website suspicious, and that may be come under the category of fraud and fake. So in final verdict, we can say that when we check out all the details, and while checking out in the details deeply, we found that the customer review which are mentioned on the site are fake, and we found many negative points for this website. So we are not recommending you at all to buy anything from this store and lose your money. And if you have personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you.